There you go.
Oh my God, that was sick.
Yeah, I don't know anything about Percy Priest. I don't fish here enough to figure it out.
How do you work that? Do you spin
Well,
and pause?
most of the time I'll just do this. I'll just kind of twitch the reel. I won't jerk the rod or anything, and then sometimes I'll let it drop and then I'll reel a little bit. I just kind of mix it up. What are you throwing?
Okay.
Oh, okay.
What am I throwing? What do you think I'm throwing?
I got a bitsy bug on. And
Man.
I never throw jigs, but that one seems to be a pretty good one that a lot of people use. So
Oh yeah.
the guy I fish tournaments with, he'll fish that thing all day.
Yeah. Yeah, my favorite way to fish that is
You just
swim
reel
it and then pause
Okay.
and let it sink. And I can't tell you, like on a moving bait, I've never caught as many fish on the pause as I have with that thing.
Throwing a little snacky swimmer, just kind of like you. I'm trying to get something in the boat, whatever it is. Oh, I got a little bump. There you go.
Oh my God, that was sick.
I saw it. Net, you gonna flip him?
I got treble, so I want a net.
You want a net?
Yes, please.
There you go.
Was absolutely
It came off right in the net.
sick, dude.
That was beautiful.
Right where I freaking paused it. Sick.
Oh man, I almost yanked my camera in the water. That would have been bad.
Yeah.
Hang on.
Oh, it's on both of them.
It's on both cameras. Bottom and the.
Okay, what am I gonna get first?
Hopefully not a hook.
Yeah.
Nice. There you go. Nice work, Jacob. Make sure I got everything in. There you go. Beauty, eh?
Nice little, maybe two.
Close, yeah.
This might be the fish I caught last week. He's got kind of the same spots on him.
That's awesome.
Sick, man.
Yeah, man.
I felt it. I was like, I have to throw it just right on top of this stuff.
Is that?
Thank you, sir. Good
Yeah,
net.
man. Is that like the just a little walking bait?
Yeah. And he, oh my God, crushed it. I thought it
Yeah.
was a smallmouth for a second.
Yeah, he hit it hard. Okay, so we had a little mishap, right?
No.
Well, no, we had a minor,
Major, almost
major problem.
Okay, so we'll explain here.
We had a leaky hose.
We did have a leaky hose. So I've got my live well pump here.
Yep.
And the hose there had split on the backside of the clamp. So I literally loosened the clamp, took it off, pretty much ripped the rip out of the hose.
You ripped the rip?
I ripped the rip.
Okay.
And then, yeah, so.
Just put her back together.
Yeah, so we're good.
So you have a live well now, which wasn't working before.
Yeah, because there was a rip in the hose.
There's a rip in the
So
hose.
when-
That's the worst too.
I know. I hate rips in the hose.
And darn hose, I tell you.
Damn hose. So hopefully next time you see us, we'll be holding up some absolute mules.
Donkeys.
Some donkeys.
Something.
It's pickle.
They're doing something. I'm trying to cast off to the side. Can we get lucky? That was like this, that jig, yeah, that Elmer gave me.
Oh, did you break off?
Yeah, I hate using braid.
On a fish?
Yeah.
What kind of braid is that?
Oh, it's like, you know, like 15.
You said 15?
Yeah. It felt like a fish. Wait on that for a second.
Oh my god, he just jumped with your crankbait. Did you hear that?
I heard it, but I don't.
He just jumped with your crankbait in his mouth.